This is everything that is included in the kit. We're gonna walk you through it. You get 4 5.5 weights. You get 4 4.5 pound weights. And then you get 4 of the 3.5 pound weights. These are for your kettlebells. This is for your barbell. Those are for your dumbbells. That's gonna be the base of the kettle. And then the screws to lock it in. Now we're gonna show you how it's done. This is my 17-year-old Lucas. He's gonna show you how easy it is to do the dumbbell with weights. It's as easy as sliding on the weight. You lock it down with a nut. You screw it on. You can add as many weights as what you want to equal the weight. It's adjustable, so you can do as max reps as what you want. And that's the dumbbell. And now we're gonna show you how to do the kettlebell, forming it into a 20-pound kettlebell and how easy it is to do. Take the base, you're just gonna stack the weights. You screw the handle. And then you tighten it with the nut. And there you have a 20-pound kettlebell. We're gonna show you how using these, we're gonna turn it into a barbell. You're going to take the stick that was previously used for the dumbbell. You're going to attach it to the middle part and you're going to screw it in on both sides. We've already attached the one side, now we're going to attach the other. We're going to screw it in. And this is so easy that a 17-year-old can do it himself. It's cheap and affordable, easy access for a home gym. Now that the bar is assembled, now it's time for the weights. And you can mix and match. So what he's going to do is he's taking one of the 5.5 pounds and he's mixing it with the 3.5. That's on one side. Now he's ready to work the chest and those arms. Last but not least, it does have an instruction manual. It has the contents. It will also tell you how to assemble all the things. Should you not remember, it also gives you like brief exercises that you can also do with it.